Nature Break, the baby sea turtles. Hi, boys and girls. I'm Stephanie, the nature lady, and I'm at one of my favorite places, the beach. And it's time for a nature break. Our Father in heaven is the source of life, of wisdom, and of joy. Look at the wonderful and beautiful things of nature. Hi, boys and girls. Today I am at the Caswell Beach in North Carolina. It's a beautiful day. These beautiful waves wash many interesting things found in the ocean onto the shore, like seashells, big ones, and small ones. Do you like to collect shells at the beach? Ooh, a pretty cockle shell. I love it. There are other things that are washed up on the beach, like seaweed. Did you know seaweed needs salt water and sunlight to grow? You may also see unique aquatic life forms washed up on the beach, like starfish. It's shaped like a twinkling star in the sky. In the sky at the beach, you'll also see brown pelicans. These seabirds are so majestic. Did you know they dive right into the water to catch fish? And when you see a flock of pelicans flying in the air, they're called a pod. There goes a pod of pelicans. Other seabirds that you'll see at the beach are sandlings. Are they playing in the water with their long legs and long beaks? I even got to play with a little sand crab. I dug into the water, found him, dug into the sand. I think I'll let you go home, little sand crab. Bye-bye. They bury themselves into the sand and the water washes over them. And they go even deeper into the sand. Bye-bye. It was nice seeing the sand crabs. But the most amazing, exciting thing that I saw was the official nesting sanctuary of the loggerhead turtles. Turtle nests are monitored by volunteers to ensure the hatchlings make it to the vast ocean safely. So I was very excited. I wanted to see the baby loggerhead turtles make it to the sea safely. And there they are. How close can I get for the video? Loggerhead turtles are endangered species. These volunteers make sure that they safely make it to the ocean. Uh-oh! Get on the right path so you'll stay safe. Following these turtles were 3 more. 1, 2. Hello. And 3. Oh, they're so cute. Now this last little turtle doesn't seem to know the path to stay safe. But the volunteer gently picks up the turtle to protect it. Do you ever feel unsafe or afraid? You know, God is bigger and stronger than any fear you may have. And just like the volunteer, God will pick you up and protect you. And look, the little turtle is making its way to the ocean. Seems like he's safely made it there. God will protect you as well and keep you safe in His arms. Just like the ocean is covering up the turtle, God's arms will always be around you to keep you safe. Isn't that great? In Isaiah 41:10, it says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you, I will uphold you." God is always there with you. Well, that's the end of Nature Break. See you next time. Blessings.